Hello and welcome to Final Inspection in Melbourne, Australia for the documentation of a final inspection transformation exterior detailing service. This particular vehicle is a BMW M3 E92 series. It'll be a different detail as it has many different materials such as the polycarbonate windows. We'll start by preparing the car with a wash, followed by a thorough wipe down with a citrus degreaser. A two-stage decontamination, a physical decontamination via a clay bar, and a chemical decontamination utilising a solvent for subsurface contaminants and also for adhesive removal. Diagnosis will consist of temperature readings, both internal and surface, ultrasound film build readings of all layers from the substrate upwards, and gloss readings. All this diagnostic information will be recorded before, during, and after the correction. As with all details, 90% of the work is the paintwork correction. The initial first stage and the re-leveling that will lay the foundations for a good finish will be carried out with a white super high density foam pad in conjunction with a clustered abrasive polish, or CAP for short, heavy compound. An intermediate polishing step via a 135mm orange high density foam pad and a clustered abrasive polish medium polishing compound. Polycarbonate corrections via a white super high density foam pad using a CAP heavy as the abrasive rectifier. Second stage will be utilising an orange high density foam pad with a clustered abrasive polish medium polishing compound. Third stage will employ a white super low density jeweling pad and a sub 1 micron abrasive jeweling polish. Glass correction will consist of a glass polishing pad mated to a 90mm active backing plate and CAP heavy correcting compound. All clear coated carbon pieces will be corrected with a 150mm super high density white foam pad mated to a 125mm rigid backing plate and CAP heavy cutting compound. Second stage is carried out with an orange HD intermediate foam polishing pad. Third stage will employ a 120 pore per square inch super low density jeweling foam pad and a sub 1 micron abrasive jeweling polish. All external materials including cleared carbon, paintwork, acrylic and glass are coated in the very super hydrophobic full metal jacket paint protection. Thank you for your interest in Final Inspection Services. I'm Damien Angelucci. Thank you to Rhett and David for their assistance. For more information on any Final Inspection Services or products, please contact us at info@finalinspection.com.au.